In this lesson, we're going to show you how you can use a retargeting pixel to help you track what people do on your website and market to those who have shown interest. The pixel works by putting a piece of code on your website, which allows the browsing activities of users to be tracked. From a business perspective, that can work wonders for your sales figures. If a potential client has visited your PT website, they'll be subjected to seeing adverts on Facebook. In turn, the continued exposure could make all the difference for transforming interest into revenue. Well, the next step is to find and create your Facebook pixel. Your retargeting pixel usually is in the audience section on your Facebook Ads Manager, but to be sure, double check because Facebook has a habit of moving things around. Well, after you've done that, you want to add it to your site. You want to paste it into the head tags of your website. It should be here. If you were using Wordpress, there's a plugin called Header and Footer. Easy, just add it there. Well, the next step is to create an audience. You want to create an audience for general website visitors and one for warm leads who have specifically viewed your service pages. You will want to start by running some awareness ads so you can give your pixel some data to work with. The great thing about Facebook ads is that they follow a structure. Therefore, you don't need to be a marketing expert to create an ad that looks great. The generic Facebook ad consists of 4 aspects. You've got the main text, the image, the headline, and the tagline. You then want to create a retargeting ad. You do this through creating a custom conversion with your pixel. All you need to do is create a new custom audience for each page. To do this, you need to follow the process of creating a custom audience pixel again. But instead of choosing anyone who visits your website, select people who visit specific web pages. After this, you just need to paste the URLs of your website specific pages. Now you can create ads for people who have looked at specific pages of your website. Your ads will gain even greater relevance by hitting the people that have hit those specific pages. For any PT serious about seeing maximum conversion rates, this step is essential.